Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. Apparently, Cookie Monster has a birthday, and since his birthday is coming up on November 2nd, I decided to make Cookie Monster chocolate donuts. These donuts are not only delicious, they are super easy to make. First, I mixed the wet ingredients together and then I added the dry ingredients. I baked the batter in the Babycakes donut maker for about 7 to 8 minutes. If you were to do this in a regular oven, you would bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. Once the donuts are completely cooled, I covered the top with blue royal icing and blue sanding sugar before adding edible eyeballs and a piece of cookie. Ideally, you want to use a piece of chocolate chip cookie, but since I didn't have any on hand, I used some other type of cookie that was in my pantry. So have you seen Sesame Street before, and if so, who is your favorite character? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.